Now the park, very clean. You see, very clean. Tire block, very clean. The back also, Mr. Clean. No worry. You try it to that island there?
Not yet.
Not yet?
No.
But you taste this before?
Yeah, just here. Only taste it. We went once to go, but after 20 minutes, too much waves. So
and then coming back?
We came back.
So after fix this one, we'll try to lunch.
Go to Palat Sangbao.
Palatan?
Palad.
Palad.
Palat Sangbao.
Okay.
That's the objective.
Yeah, sea trial. After fix, sea trial.
Here one more.
Another one.
There are two here. Huh? One there, one there.
Dito tayo sa ganda ito pag jet ski, no? Pero ito speedboat, outboard. Ano yung ano ito? Johnson Enforcer? Johnson. Ano yung mga nagbububo. Yan sila, mga nagbububo yan. Dito yung ano, naibigan ng foreigner na dito sila sa Katanawan, manirahan dahil napaka ganda dito. Yun ah. We go to si trial na namin yung fuel. Mamaya, nagpantalon tayo eh. Si Kano hindi yung nagpantalon. Hayaan na lang natin siya na.
I will go down.
Where?
Oh, okay.
Ayan. This gasoline.
Yes, gasoline.
Yeah, put inside.
You have to put it inside.
Okay, bud. Ups. Dito na tayo mga idol. Kasi tinitesting na yung ano. Yan. Kaway muna, kaway! Hindi mga audience natin dito eh, kaway! Hoy! Laba-laba ka, kaway muna, kaway!
We're not gonna make it.
Ano kayang ginagawa nitong dalawa dyan na nagdidita? Oh. Now my friend get on board and we'll try to start.
I still don't like ugly.
Okay.
You do everything? Wait. Okay, no trouble.
Okay, start. Okay. Okay, another one. Try and try. Yan, naligo din yung pamilya niya. Yan.
Yes, it's good.
Naligo sila. Yung pamilya ni. Ayun. Alright. Let's get.
Noise, huh? The noise is good, huh?
Noise is good.
Best is to heat slowly. No? Before to go.
Warm up. Oh, yes. Ayan. Ayun na. Woo! Woo! Ito kami. Ride very fast.
No tick-tick, huh? No noise anymore.
He said before sleep, then will not lubricate very well before. Now,
No
lubricate.
tick-tick. Just the wheel?
No, the lubricated now.
Okay.
For the old, it's not really good safety, and he says,
But it's
I'm
better
strong.
to use your car at higher than.
Ils viennent avec l'idée d'utiliser ma voiture et de prendre un driver.
They can live here at 8 a.m.
Ah, Sir Charles, Sir Charles. Sir Charles.
and then we arrive
Hello.
at
Hello,
the
Sir
airport
Charles.
at 1
Sir Charles,
p.m.
this is Sir Charles. Dali.
If you do that.
L'autre solution, c'est
Welcome Philippines.
Welcome.
Mabuhay.
I think it's the best.
Mabuhay Philippines. Mabuhay Philippines. Mabuhay. Mabuhay Philippines. Yan.
Sure ka pa makakarating ka?
Texas. Lula, Lula. Lula, Lula. Lula.
Binilay ko yun.
Kiss Lolo, kiss Lolo. Kiss Lolo.
Good boy.
Mais il me dit de prendre juste après Pac Bilao. C'est ce qu'on va faire.
Pagbilaw.
Ici, le but c'est de trouver là où il y a des cailloux. S'il y a des cailloux, c'est qu'il y a des trous.
That's a tomato farming. That's a bitter gourd. Ampalaya.
Bittergold.
Ampalaya and
C'est pas Butternut ou...
yeah.
Ah, non, c'était. Enfin, je
Mais
pense pas.
ils mettent ça sur une treille parce qu'il y a peut-être des rats et un tas de bestioles, tu vois. Pour ne pas que ça se mange. Charles,
Oui,
c'était comme un tapis.
You
là.
dans la traduction.
you look at in Philippines Ampalaya, in English Bittergourd.
Bittergold.
Yeah, farming here in Sariaya.
Bittergold. Ah oui, mais j'ai pas mon truc.
Mais non, mon chou.
Ça ne va pas.
Mais non, tu n'as pas un wifi, hein.
Non.
Je ne sors pas mon téléphone parce que...
It's like this, like what?
Only size is sometimes 10 inches,
I think
8 inches, 12 inches, the size of Bittergourd. Depends sa variety. Traffic. Sa airport. Yan. Sa airport. Yan. Baba na sila. Pauwi na sila sa Belgium. Hello, ma'am.
Voilà.
Hello.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello. See you next season. See you. Thank you. Okay, bye-bye. See you.
Je te donne ça.
Go.
Yes.
Jeep.
Tomorrow,
Tomorrow 12 noon.
12 noon, we go
Go to
Terminal 2.
Terminal 2.
Yes.
Cebu, you're going to
Yeah,
Cebu?
we're going to Cebu.
They will be going to Cebu and have fun in Cebu. Very
Yes.
nice place, Cebu.
I hope we are fine.
And also Bohol.
And maybe we will.
How about in Romblon?
Romblon was wonderful.
You been there?
No.
No. Next time.
Next time, another time I come
Another
back.
time when you come back.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yes. Sir Jeep, the great man.
So, no.
Oh, say that. Where you have been? Sir Jeep,
Yeah.
where you have been? You been from?
Where I've been?
Yeah.
Now?
Oh, no.
The city?
In the
Oh,
city?
yeah.
What you buy?
I took my clothes, cleaning.
You take laundry.
Yeah, laundry.
Ah.
Exactly.
Okay. Ayan po yung sasakyan ni Sir Jeep po. Ayan. Isuzu. Ayan. Ayan po yung Isuzu. Ayan. Isuzu. Ha? Tomorrow afternoon, I prepare myself tomorrow.
12 noon.
12 noon.
Okay. All right.
Enjoy your travel. They put a harbas to clean.
Clean. So, the car is clean.
So next time you come back next time.
Yeah, maybe. I
Yeah.
don't know. It depends.
Sir Jeff, we will miss you.
Maybe.
Uh,
I'm not gone yet.
yeah.
Only the 12 of so we
If
have
you're
time.
bored there, if you're bored in Belgium and then very cold, come back again.
No problem.
Okay.
Pato,
Okay. Sir Jeff,
see you tomorrow.
tomorrow.
12 o'clock. 12:30.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah, Sir Jeff. Mag-ano sila Sir Jeff? Babalik na sila sa bansa nila. Hindi pa, magbakasyon pa sa Cebu.
soon. We'll sleep soon.
Good morning. And going to Cebu. Are you sleep, Sir Jeff?
Yeah.
Okay, take your sleep. This one. Okay, enjoy, ma'am. Enjoy. Sa jeep. Dito tayo sa Naiya. Naiya. Ulan-ulan ngayon. Ay, go up! Yan, dami nilang gamit to. Yan. Enjoy! Yan. Papunta sila Cebu. Ayan. Dito sa Naiya, ulan-ulan ngayon. Ayan na. Ulan-ulan dito sa Naiya. Ayan. Okay, Sir Jeff.
Wait. We give this
To William.
to William.
Okay.
The key. Dali. Exact. Perfect.
Ma'am. Thank you. Sir. Okay, enjoy ya.
Salamat.
Okay. Okay. Sir. Last tayo doon dito sa 2,000 ang pagasa din. Mura lang yung gasolina dito. 49. Resibo pre. Yan. 2,000 ang ating resibo.